Yeah, good morning, guys. It's hella early in the morning. It's I think like 7. As you guys know from my last video, I said that I was going to Hawaii, and that is tomorrow. We'll be leaving tomorrow afternoon. I got a lot to do today. Still got to put in a little bit of work. I'm pretty much packed, but I got to make sure I'm packed by tonight because tomorrow I got a haircut at 8:30 in the morning. Then I gotta come home, shower up, get ready for the airport trip, and then head to the airport around 10:30 and get there by like 11:30. But yeah, I just want to do an unboxing for you guys because your boy got a new bag, new travel bag, just in time for Hawaii. So I want to show you guys this. It's fire. It's pretty crazy. It's one of my biggest dollar amount pieces. All right, so here's the bag. Look how big this thing is. All right, I'm gonna put it on the table. I'm gonna hide my face. Y'all see it. Look how big it is compared to me, so y'all can get an idea how big this really is. But yeah, let's just get into it. I'm hype. This is crazy how super huge this is. Alright. It's still early in the morning, so give me a second. You know what I'm saying? Alright. This is going to be my personal bag. When I travel, I really don't like to travel heavy. So I do my best to bring, y'all can't really see this, I'll do it right here. I do my best to, what you call it? It's still early in the morning. I do my best to travel as light as possible. So I'll bring just a carry-on, the roller, and then either a backpack or a personal like carry, like duffel. It's just easier. I don't like checking stuff in because I hate having to go get your bag. I like to just get on the plane, no checking, get off the plane, no picking up any bag. It's just super easy and convenient, and it forces me to actually pack more strategically and get the outfits kind of planned out instead of like how I used to pack was just throw a bunch of stuff in the bag that I know I can put together, and then I'll put it together when I get there. But now like I have it like day by day, what outfits I'm gonna wear. It's just more simple and efficient. All right, so here's the box. Let me show you guys. Oh no. Hopefully y'all can see that. So it opens right here in the front, I think. Hold on. There. See the little colorful inside. Big flap. It's got the square, like super colorful rainbow pattern. And then let me scoot forward, show you the inside. It's a pretty big bag. It's not super big, but I was happy because it's just under the size of a personal bag that you can fit, and I think the width is like 18 inches. I think Gucci did that on purpose to make sure you can use it as a personal bag. Gucci paper. So here it is, guys. Now I'm hyped to show you guys this. Hold up. The dust bag is crazy big. Got the little card that Gucci gives you when you get the receipt. Put that down. Here it is, the Gucci dust bag. I'm gonna unbox this like super close to you guys so you guys can see it. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my god, hold up. Let me, it's a pretty decent size. Hopefully y'all can see that here. Let me bring it a little bit closer. Let me give you guys the details on the bag. As you can see, the leather hits, GG embossed all over the bag. It's got the leather, it's all leather. But it's got the Gucci right there on the button. 2 nice thick straps right there. And at the bottom, it's got the little, they're covered by little pieces of like stickers right now, but it's a little metal protector, so when you put it on the floor, nothing happens to it. The inside, one thing I wish it was that the inside was actually black, just to keep it a little cleaner, but it's still cool. You see the inside, it's actually cream, still got the paper inside. But yeah. But yeah, let me pull up the name of this bag. I forgot, but let me grab it real quick. Okay, so this bag is called the Gucci GG embossed duffel bag. So if you want to look it up, you can. It's on the Gucci website. But yeah, this is it. Your boy's gonna look drippy walking through the airport. Yeah, I'm hyped to have this. Let me show you guys. It actually has a strap, so you can carry it on your shoulder. But the reason why I like stuff like this, you guys know me, I'm a thrifter, so I don't even really buy like expensive stuff like that. But these are the kind of things that are like timeless, and you'll use this for a very long time. Like I always preach to people, like I'd rather buy, besides thrifting, because obviously like I resell, but personally, like I'd rather pay like $500 for a t-shirt than spend $20 on a t-shirt that's only gonna last like, I don't know, not that long compared to the $500 shirt. Obviously I don't really do that because I thrift, but that's like my mentality when it comes to stuff like that, because that $500 t-shirt will last super long compared to that $20 t-shirt, so you'll never have to buy that t-shirt again. I know I'm using a t-shirt, but as an example, but you'd probably buy more than one t-shirt in your life. But a bag. So basically what I'm saying is I'd rather buy a duffel that costs this much compared to buying a duffel that is not going to last as long. And this is like a grown man duffel. That's pretty much what I needed. And yeah, it's like, let me think of another example. Like buying like a $50 watch compared to a Rolex. Like a Rolex is something that'll keep its value. You can wear it, like it doesn't even matter. Like you wear it, like it'll never get scratched. Keeps its value and sometimes even increases in value. And that's something that I'd rather, it's kind of like an investment, but you still get to keep it for yourself. Instead of paying like $50 for that watch over and over again, and it just breaks like over time. So that's pretty much the way I'm looking. I don't know if I explained that correctly, but so this is the strap. Let me show you guys. It's got the little leather strap right here. It's across the bag, so you can see it's like it's crisscrossed, like from one corner to the other corner, not directly in the middle. So I like that because it's actually makes it easier to carry. So you can put it right here, or you can put it across the head and hold it off to the side like this. But yeah, that's it guys. So it's the GG embossed duffel. I'm hyped. This is gonna be more of like, this is where I'm gonna put all the personal stuff and my more like expensive stuff, like my sunglasses, my wallet, my change, jewelry, whatever. Everything else that I need to keep close to me is going to be in here, and the rest of all my clothes, shoes, and everything is going to be in the carry-on. If you remember a while ago, the carry-on that I have is actually the one that I thrifted, like that Nike carry-on. Y'all will see it. I'm gonna vlog our Hawaii trip. We're gonna be there for 6 nights, 7 days. I'm hyped to travel with the Boo Boo once again. It's been a while. Like I said, it is our 10-year anniversary. Shout out to the Boo Boo. But yeah, so this is the bag. Let me just get a thumbnail real quick. Okay. But yeah, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this Gucci unboxing. Your boy's hyped to take this on the airplane. Finally, big boy bag, overnight bag as well. So it's Gucci. Let's go. You already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Come on. Have a good day.